welcome back to Automotive Tales. As you can tell, it is very nearly Christmas. I'm wearing my delightful festive jumper, and unfortunately that means work has been very busy, so time in the garage has been very limited. However, every year on this channel we do a little bit of dashcam chaos. So I collect all the absolute bellendery that happens on the road while I'm out and about driving, and I compile that into one little video for you to enjoy. So come and look at some exemplar wanky driving in 2024's dashcam chaos.
Let's start with an age-old stereotype, the Audi driver. Having joined the ranks of the Audi driver recently, I feel I need to point out that I go out of my way not to drive like this. As we all know, the red light is purely optional for the Audi SUV driver. And other cars on the road are really just there to make the drive home a slalom course. In alphabetical order next, let's see some bad BMW driving. This guy was very aggrieved about us doing the speed limit, so much so he made sure to brake test us to slow us down. The BMW 1 Series is quickly becoming the UK's Mustang. This one found a tricky corner on a straight piece of road out of our village. Can't park there, mate. Up next we have Dr. Luke in his wayward brodozer and a Duke. Luke and the Duke really are the duo of don'ts. Dr. Luke really didn't want to choose a lane, nearly hitting the car on the inside, but liked having his attention drawn back to the road even less by brake testing us mid-corner for the privilege. Brodozer rules require a quick shout out of the window as well. This Duke demonstrated their title that they are the Duke of Dithering don'ts by almost completely stopping to consider if they needed to use the junction before then cutting across both lanes on this roundabout. Other drivers be damned. Next, we have a compact SUV making a mockery of the road rules. Apparently hash markings are a free-for-all now, as we see this very not happy Honda driver making his own lane and doing his own thing.
A few moments later.
Drive like a complete dickhead. Not unless you indicate, dickhead. Indicate. What the Oh, shit. I don't know where the ambulance is going in.
It's not always moving cars that catch our attention on the dashcam. We were driving up this road only to see what looked like a barbecue in the distance. Upon arrival we found a huge car fire right under the flight path for East Midlands Airport, which actually incidentally shut the airport and the road surrounding. Looks like we got through just in time. Just as hot but slightly less flamey, this delightful replica GT40. Although I assume it's a replica, either way, it sounds on form.
I think I just wet myself. Wow.
Being on the road on two wheels has got to be a scary thing, but being in the right lane may have avoided this very near miss with the red Polo. Eek.
Oh, f***ing hell, did you see him then? Jesus Well, I mean, to be honest, all the bikes are in the wrong lane.
Yeah, they...
Because that's only East Midlands Parkway, so they are all on the wrong lane, but he had no indication he was pulling over there.
They say you should always commit to a manoeuvre as dithering is dangerous. Whilst I nearly jumped this light by looking too far down the road, I feel this Seat driver is flying by the seat of his pants, committing to this move. On the subject of dithering,
It's already built a massive gap. Like, still faster than 18 miles an hour. Come on. Oh, are we gonna just scrape fucking moron! Right, now I won't pass them. This is definitely dangerous.
what about professional drivers? Well, here's a right pair of wagons.
Really? I'm going to keep this video rolling for just a second because that's a very tasty little Lotus Eclat, I think.
Indicating left to move into the lane he was already aligned to from the junction, to then swerve violently right to go around all of the cars, using 2 lanes to then cut back in front to get back into the lane he was originally aligned to. Swerving in and out of traffic like that in a wagon is not safe. While not a near miss, so to speak, there is a time and a place for this sort of pace.
Jesus Christ! Fire!
He wasn't in half a rush.
Just staying on the wrong side of the road.
Back on Pride Park in Derby again for some more price prickery. I don't care how much of a rush you're in, trying to undertake coming up to a junction is ridiculous. But in this case, it nearly left this mad Mini merging with a mini bus. Granted, that is a monumentally stupid place to leave a minibus.
That's the end of this video, but I hope you enjoyed this 3-lane hop from this people carrier, and join us next time where we'll hopefully be back in the garage. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Yeah, you absolute penis. What was the point in doing that? The Audi's like, you're not coming in